Hey guys, today I'm going to be replacing these stock halogen license plate light bulbs with some brand new LED ones from Auxito. The reason I wanted to do this install was I actually had one of the license plate lights burn out, and I figured what better opportunity to change these out than right now. I have the custom trim model, but these lights are going to be stock no matter if you have the AT4 or the High Country, which is both the top trim models versus the lower trim model. So no matter what trim you get, you're going to be stuck with these ugly looking old amber lights. So definitely want to upgrade these to the LEDs to match the rest of the truck. I'm going to first change out the burnt out bulb and give you guys a comparison between the new LED one and the old amber looking halogen bulb. This install only actually is going to take us a couple of minutes. So let's go ahead and climb under the truck.
So we're at the back of the truck right here, and our license plate lights are actually located right there. So you're going to want to go ahead and turn this counterclockwise and it'll just spin right out. So in order to take the old halogen bulb out, all you're going to want to do is grip it firmly and it will pop right out. And now that we have the old bulb out, we can go ahead and take our new bulb, stick this right in like so. And now that it's in, we're going to go ahead and make sure it's in there and give it a good twist clockwise. There we go. That's in there nice and tight, and we are done.
So now taking a look at a side-by-side comparison, you'll see a huge difference between the lights. This one is extremely dim. Just looks old. The color's really not that great, but then you get this bulb and it is so much brighter and just gives it a way better appearance for your truck. So overall, it's a way better appearance. I really like it. Super easy install, but we're gonna go ahead and install this one. And since it's exactly the same for you guys, let's go ahead and do that now. And there we go, guys. Both of them are installed at this point. Again, it only took me a couple of minutes per side to actually get these completed. So I'm sure a lot of you guys are saying, well, Andrew, do you really want to have your license plate more illuminated? This is going to allow potentially traffic cams or cops to be able to see your license plate better. Well, personally, I'm not doing anything illegal out there, so it's not really a concern for me. If it is a concern, obviously, this is going to shine more light on your license plate, but overall, the look is what I'm going for. This has a modern look to it. Those old lights were just dull and they looked really bad. And I just like the way that these lights look overall. And it really makes it feel like a new truck with new LED white lights. So looking at the befores, I can't believe that these lights are actually stock with these vehicles. I don't know why they don't go to LEDs considering how cheap they are and they last a lot longer. You're more likely to get a burnt out light with those old halogen bulbs versus these new LEDs should last you a really long time. And looking at the new ones, it just gives it a new truck feel. And it really livens up the back of your truck and just gives it an overall way better appearance. The link for these specific lights are down in the description below, and there's also a sizing number next to it if you guys are interested in other different lights and you want to look it up. I highly recommend it. It only took me a couple minutes and it's going to make your truck look a heck of a lot better. If you guys like this LED conversion, you're definitely going to want to click on the video on the screen where I change out my reverse halogen bulbs with LED bulbs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, take care.